Salsa Choreography, JALA JALA, Part 11, Salsa Combination.
Start with reverse crossbow delete. Let's go to the front. 1, 2, 3, 5, leading traveling left turn. Offline crossbow delete, leading traveling right turns. Throw on 1, 1, 2, 3, throw on 5, lock on 7. 3, we start with reverse crossbow delete. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. We help it with the twist on 3. We just release the hands like that. This will go the shoulder height of her, and then we release it. Both hands, let her turn, and we catch it again. It's the beginning. Now we do a crossbow delete. 1, 2, 3. Now traveling right turn. The right hand will stay on the shoulder. Left hand goes up. Slow. Yeah, on the shoulder, up. This exactly. Now we're going to throw it on 1, 1, 2, 3. It lands here. Now we throw it up. 5, release. 7, it continue. 7, exactly. Let's do it from the other side. Starting with the reverse crossbow delete. One basic. 1, 2, 3. Reverse crossbow delete. 6, 7. 1, 2. We'll give her a twist on 3. Now, what we do with this hand, we do this movement. We do this movement while leading her to switch places. So we have a little bit tension going forwards, a little bit tension here. And after the tension, we flick the hand down. And we raise the hand, this one, at the same time. So this is what we do. We do it several times. So here, we have the twist here. We give her a twist for the turn. A little bit of tension going forwards and release. Then we're gonna catch her here. Of course, we're gonna be here. Yeah, but just so you can see. Again, 1, 2, twist on 3. Notice the hands. Give a little bit of tension forwards, and I flick the hand down. Release this one over her shoulder, and then we catch. This is where I catch. I catch it here, and I catch it over here. One more time, and then we continue. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Give it a twist. 5, 6, 7. Then catch. Now we have crossbow delete. We can, of course, do crossbow delete the regular one, but we take the leg behind. 1, 2, 3. Traveling right turn. Now notice what happens here. I rotate my hand, my fingers inside her fingers, and I stay on the same level here. Left hand goes up. 5, 6, 7, exactly. This hand stays up because I'm going to throw it on 1. I'm going to throw it on 1, 2, 3. Now we have some tension here. We have some weight from her hand. I can lower my hand, and I just straighten my elbow up. 5. Release this. 7, exactly. And if it doesn't work, some troubleshooting for you. From beginning, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, notice, if we throw here and the hand doesn't get here for some reason, we can actually put it here. Notice how we do that. We were here, the hand was here. So we throw it. If it doesn't count, we can actually get it. We can actually put it down. We can put it down. We can even give a little bit of weight here. So when we throw it, it will be leadable. Exactly. Also, when we throw it here, we can throw. We can lead our hand up here. After we do this, if it doesn't move more, we can actually take it and throw it again, releasing this hand and lock. So it will surely work like that. Let's do it together from this point. From this point. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I throw. I help her here. Up. I touch it here. Release and let's go. Slow with the music. Basic. And we start with reverse crossbow delete. Let's go to the front. 1, 2, 3, 5, leading traveling left turn. Offline crossbow delete, leading traveling right turns. Throw on 1, 2, 3, throw on 5, lock on 7. The other side. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3. Again, reverse crossbow delete. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Leading traveling left turns. Now offline crossbow delete. Leading traveling right turns. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Lock. Let's go. 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7. Let's go again. 5, 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1.